Hello everyone, this is our ultrasonic probe Sonicator of Dinesh Scientific. This is main door. This is a stand to put our sample. This is knob, adjustable knob. We can place our sample up and down with rotating this knob. When sensor, we have to plug sensor in this knob, and this is our main probe connection. We have to connect our probe in this knob, and here is main on off button. First of all, we on the button, our machine gets on. This is pulse on. We can change pulse timing by up and down key. This is pulse off. We can adjust as per our requirement pulse. This is for power. Whatever requirement power we can adjust by this up and down. And this is start, stop and manual. Only these functions are to operate. It is very simple to operate. First of all, press start. It is simply way to operate the probe Sonicator. Thank you. Have a nice day.